Hello everyone, my name is Naresh and I am a Salesforce project manager. Welcome to this video, and today's topic is how to choose your Salesforce implementation partner. Now we all know Salesforce CRM is ready to use CRM or ready to use solution. However, whenever we try and use it, we might want to implement it as per our business use. We want to modify it as per our business use. There are some integrations required with our present softwares which we use every day. And then there is some configuration, development, and administration support required. For this, we go back and we look for some partners who can implement our Salesforce. But again, how to find a right partner for our use, that's a big deal today. So in this video, I will cover how we can find our Salesforce implementation partner. Let's go to the next slide. So how to choose your Salesforce implementation partner? I'm looking at solution expertise, industry expertise, Salesforce certification, level of partnership, and shared similar vision. So let's understand what these are. Now, when we are looking for a partner, the best way is to go and Google their website. So example, if there is a website of your partner, go and look for the website, look for how authentic your partner is. Are they even real? Where do they work from? Do they have any reviews of their previous projects? And how these reviews look like? What kind of industry specifications they have? What kind of industries they have worked on? What kind of resources they have? Are they a small company with one Salesforce developer, or they are a big company with thousands of Salesforce developers? Are they even Salesforce specialists, or they are like an app development company or a website development company with one or two Salesforce resources? And are these even a partner with Salesforce? Because you might want to know if these are authentic Salesforce partner to deliver their services. Now there is another trick to choose your partner. You can go to App Exchange, which is like a Play Store of Salesforce. So you can download any app from Salesforce which is already developed there. You can use it, download, plug and play from the App Exchange itself. Now when there is a partner who is like Salesforce certified partner, they will also have a consulting page on the Salesforce App Exchange. Now we can go to the Salesforce App Exchange, check their page, and what we are looking there is check for the reviews rating, look for their certified resources, what kind of projects they have done, how old they are, where they are, and all that kind of specification. So we also might want to look at what kind of industry specification we have. So let's go deep dive and find an example where we can actually look for, a real life example of what kind of consulting services are available on.
Hi, now let's pick an example here. Now, quickly, I have opened appexchange.salesforce.com, which is, like I mentioned, Play Store for Salesforce. Let's go with an example. Let me type in .squares and look for what kind of information is available for this partner. This is appexchange.salesforce.com again. So these are different applications available from, I think, .squares. But we are looking at consultant. That means .square development and consulting services. So let me open this example here to demonstrate what we are actually looking for with an App Exchange. So now step by step, we can see it is called .square development and consulting services. They are Salesforce partners. Their rating is 5. So far, they have completed 96 Salesforce projects, and looks like they have 26 certified Salesforce experts. It was founded in 2002. Here is a small description. They work in sales, service, health, experience cloud, power, and marketing cloud. There is a quick video about .squares, an introduction. What kind of, so they have 4.7 out of 5 CSAT, 100%. So they are a CREST partner. That means they are a gold partner of Salesforce. And looks like it says 100 plus certifications, 210 plus employees, and some more information available for them here. Some videos. We are not going into videos, of course. So these are different locations from where they work: Australia, India, US, UK. And here is the specialization like we discussed earlier. They have some apps available as well. on App Exchange. Now, good part here is, there are some case studies available of their Salesforce project, like, what kind of projects they have worked on, what kind of white papers they have for their applications, their contact information, which is right here. And what else we can look for? We can click here and see expertise. So when we are checking their overall App Exchange consulting page, we can go here and check expertise, which is they are expert in customer 360 platform, level 2, Einstein 1, Experience Cloud 2, Sales Cloud 100 out of 100, Service Cloud 2, and that's how you can see the industry specification as well, industry expertise here, what kind of industries they have worked on, what kind of certification there. So all right, so they have 92 certifications in total, admin 37, architect level 1, consultant 24. So looks like heavy deal. And reviews, so there are 39 reviews available here, which their customers have given them after completing the project. So these are some deciding factors, these are some factors which are allowing me to see what kind of real information is available for this particular partner. So see, you can see all the reviews here, and it is verified by Salesforce. The survey response is also showing the product area, industry, and what they have written for dot squares. So yep.
App Exchange. So what is Salesforce certified resources? What is Salesforce certification? Now there are Salesforce resources like Salesforce developers, project managers, business analysts, QA or testers, and Salesforce consultants, architects. All of these should be Salesforce certified. So for an example, I am certified Salesforce admin, Experience Cloud, and Sales Cloud consultant. Similarly, you want to look for if these resources are certified from Salesforce. Do they have that real life knowledge? Do they have actual certification from Salesforce? So all of this information we have checked, like how many certified resources this organization have, is these certificates, or are these certificates active, and this will provide us the expertise as per our needs. So example, if we have Sales Cloud project, we might want to understand if they have Sales Cloud certified resources. So let's go next and see what our resource availability and competency says. So for an example, our project, it needs like 4 resources, so we might want to ask them, do you have these kind of resources available today? Are they in business? Are they available for your project? We already checked for the certification, so, and we also have checked how many similar projects they have done. So now when we look at a development project, it's just not a development project, it comes with a lot of other things. So example, we might want to look for if they have project managers, if they have testers as well available, because risk mitigation, contingency plans, all of this is part of your package. So example, if I am booking for a project, I will ask for, do they have project manager who will engage with us? Do they have tester who will check what they have developed? And also what kind of documentation they will provide. So you can ask for document like scope document, which will define the complete scope of the project. SRS, which is system requirement specification, which will tell you in depth what is the project all about. Test plan and cases, how they will be testing your project. Gantt chart, which will give you the delivery timelines, milestones. Weekly demo, so how you will, let's say if you are giving them a project, you might want to see the progress weekly rather than waiting till the end and see the overall progress and give the feedback later on. Also, there could be other project documents like RACI metrics and a lot more like risk plans, risk mitigation plans. So you will ask for these documentation so that you understand, yes, this is what we are looking for. So I know Salesforce implementation development, it's not cheap, but again, as we discussed, we are trying to compare our cost versus the values. Because cost, of course, cost could be high for a developer, but we are looking for if this cost is covering project manager, tester, and what's the real value you are taking out of this cost. Now I have this number that according to Gartner, 83% of data transfer initiatives fail or exceed their budgets and timeline. This is because there are scope creeps. This is because they don't understand what you're trying to achieve. So this kind of discussion needs to be done before the project. And I hope now you can find your partners by simply looking at their website or the App Exchange listing. And again, if you do not like this video, don't like or subscribe. But if you do, you know what to do. Thank you.